The streak continues. We can't get one to go. What can you say? We broke even on the S&P today on this trade, and we're gonna get into it. So technically we lost $1.61, but calling it a break even. And it was a 5-minute bull flag play, pretty much. Here is the chart on the S&P. I was watching today. This area right here had my interest, pretty much. And this quick flash dip that got bought right back up was a signal for me that we potentially could go higher. And so once we broke high a day, I got in, which was really right in here. And didn't do much. I think there was a sign. The sign kind of was this didn't go. And in the grand scheme, it's not a bad trade by any means. It's just kind of like, can't get one to go. Is kind of what we got going on. And I'm not that surprised, to be honest with you, by it. I guess I'm happy that I didn't lose, full on the trade. So we got the push. Here's the trade here, by the way, on the platform that it was traded on. So we got very close. We're not very close. We got most of the way to our target. And so what I do in these situations is I move my stop to break even. And then once we were up, I was targeting about $260 for the upside. So once I was up like 160, I moved stop to break even, which then got stopped out moments ago. So not bad. The bigger picture, here's where I can kind of get a little more analytical about this. I think you jump out to the bigger time frames. I think there was room for me. Well, I thought there was room a little bit more, but we do have to understand the volume profile. As we had this push, we are pushing up. CPI is tomorrow. So, sometimes I don't know how much what that really means, but sometimes the market doesn't want to move before CPI sometimes. So CPI is tomorrow. Something to think about. We also we had filled through a lot of or pushed through a lot of that volume gap. And we tend to see price have more resistance as we push up in volume. So bigger time frames, not bad, but also and also coming into support here, which could act as a resistance. So knowing that, I kind of could have expected the choppiness. But on the 5-minute time frame, I like what I saw. And to be honest, when I saw these two lower wicks, I liked it a lot more. So I thought that this would be good short squeeze potential and fuel for a push higher, and we might get it. It's just that the exact path wasn't what I was looking for. So, so what happens. So it goes. Sometimes we can go back and take a look at the overall month, down $514 in the month. Not terrible. But we have not had a winner in now 8 trades. Now, 2 of them were break evens. Actually, 3 of them you could say were break evens. So 5 losers and 3 break evens comes out to approximately, if you average out the 5 losers, we're losing about $100 per trade. Now this is on a 25K and a 10K account. So it's it's good because all my winners on both accounts are always bigger than that, or you should be as long as the trade goes to plan. So that's the deal. This is TradeZella. I'll leave a link to that below. Peace.